Okay, we're going to show you how our Carbon Capital MT5 template works. Really, really simple. We got swing low and swing high dots. This shows the change in the market, a trend change in the market, okay? As you go back and you can see within our channels, we got swing low dot, swing high dot, swing low. These dots do repaint, okay? They do repaint. But let's go see how to work, how to use them. We have to wait for structure to form, okay? So we got a swing low dot right here, right? And we're looking at the dot. Now we got a price came back and retested the trend here. Came back up, retested again. So now we got structure. We're on the daily chart. So now we see we got structure. So then we look for our opposite dot going the opposite direction right here. Right? We don't really need this line, but we know the market is trying to change, right? Because we got a dot, or we think the market is trying to change until we get a structure. But what do we have right here? Okay, we have our trend line going up, price break. We just wait for the break. We wait for the break and close. Price broke and closed right here. Got in on this candle. A little bit of retrace, about 15 pip retrace, on down to the next dot. Okay, 200 some pips. All right, let's look at another one. So that's this one. All right, so we get rid of that right quick. We finished with this one. All right, now we got another dot here, right? And we wait. We don't know if this dot is repainted yet. We don't know if it's going to repaint, but we wait for structure. So we got a retrace here. Dot didn't move. I mean, we got a touch here. Another touch here. Now we're looking for the opposite dot again. Opposite dot. So, right. So now we got structure form right here. We come down, we got structure form. We just wait for the break. Price broke here, closed, or in about 20 pip retrace, on down about 217 pips. Really, really simple structure. Really simple structure. All right. That's how this works. So you wait for structure to form, right? We see the dot. We wait right there. We got a touch. Keep on going. Got another touch. So we know this is structure here on the day. We know this is a solid structure. Wait for the next dot. Okay. Price is break. We don't really need to draw the line, but we wait for price to break. Price broken and closed right here. Right. It broke and closed right here. We're in on down. So that's how we work this template.